Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to drop in and give a quick Etsy update and show you my latest addition to the shop. It's these wooden tags and they're going to be available in packs of 3 and they're all the same but yet different. So they all have the same sentiment stamped on them, and this is actually a wooden tag, so it's a kind of a, I don't know, a thin wood board, and it has a kind of a whitewash background, and then it has the sentiment stamped in black. It's a Tim Holtz Christmas sentiment, and then it comes with this kind of twine string at the top that's knotted, but you can easily unknot it to add it to packages. And then each tag has kind of a different type of beading on it, different ribbon. It's all in kind of the red and green color scheme. And I think every tag has the same number of beads on it. I tried to put, I think, 7 beads on each one. So, but they kind of, it's like a mix and match thing. Some have the red gingham bow, some have the green, and I'll mix them in the packs too. So it'll be just kind of like a fun variety. But I love bright colored gift tags like this because they're great to add to plain packaged gifts. So say you have maybe a Christmas gift or holiday gift wrapped in that craft colored paper or white, just plain white wrapping paper, you can add a really nice colorful tag to it and it looks great to give to somebody, or in a plain gift bag too. So a lot of times I like to buy those packs of 10 white or craft colored gift bags, and then when you go to give to somebody a gift, you have a really nice tag to attach to it, and then the person can actually reuse the tag again if they'd like. So these are available in my shop right now, and like I said, packs of 3, and so there'll be three sets of 3 for you to purchase. And then I just wanted to give another quick update of some of the other things I have. I've also added these little note card sets. These are packs of 10. These are the 4-bar size note cards. So they're a little bit smaller. They're blank inside, and they have an embossed floral pattern with like a little flourish coming off the side of each of the little flowers. And there's a set of 10 that has kind of in rainbow colored embossed flowers. So purple, green, blue, and then there's pink and yellow, I believe, too. Oh yeah, here's the yellow. And I have them separated by this little parchment paper just to kind of keep everything clean and from sticking. So these are also available in my shop, and they come with matching envelopes too, so it's a smaller size. And there's also a version that's just the plain black embossed. So if you like just a very plain note card, that would be these. And then what else? I also have I put together some Christmas card packs. So packs of 3, because sometimes, if you buy some Christmas cards to send out and maybe you run out and somebody gives you a gift and you weren't expecting it and you wanted to quick grab a card, you've got some extras on hand, and maybe like a more handmade version would be nice to give to somebody. So this is just a variety of 3 different cards. They're kind of color coordinated. So there's this set here. It's just some nice light, kind of non-traditional Christmas colors, but they have, the hot chocolate and the Santa and everything on it. And then I also have this set, which was made using a stencil and a different colored of glitter paste from, if you're familiar with the Nouveau brand, this is their glitter paste. And so it's kind of a raised embossed look, and it's really fun. And they all have the same sentiment on it, but just a little different background. And this is that Tim Holtz sentiment stamp that I used on the wooden tags that I showed you earlier. So these are available in the shop too, in a set of 3. And I also have the journals, and I have some other gift tags and also some gift card holders as well too that you can take a look at. And I think I showed you those in a previous video. And then I also added, let me just show you really quick. I had done a video on this Christmas countdown calendar, And this is a 25-day countdown calendar. And I ended up adding this to the shop because I figured out a way to make it so that, people, it's a white background, which, as people are flipping, may tend to end up getting messed up a little bit over time. But I figured out a way to put some plastic sleeves on each of the pages. So it's really great because actually it helps them flip better too. And they're removable. They're just a card holder. So if you don't want them, you don't have to have them on there. But they keep your pages nice and clean, and then you can reuse this year after year. And it's got all the fun little vintage designs on it for your Christmas countdown. And it just sits, try to make sure I can get this on camera here. It can sit on your table, your desk, or whatever, and then you just flip the days over, and you can even add a picture in the back if you want, because you've got the plastic sleeve there. So this is available in the shop as well. And if you have any other questions, just leave me a comment, and I may be adding a few more things. It's getting kind of close. We've got about a month and a half left, so I don't want to risk not being able to get things sent out in time. So I probably won't be adding a ton more to the shop, but if I do, I will give another update. But thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video.